Okay, this is where I am right now. I got the head plate glued on. Then I'm going to, and it's all rough filed in, and I'm going to take this on my drill press and put the 4 tuner holes in it. I'll do that now because the neck is nice and lightweight, no extensions on it or anything. I did some basic filing on the side, but I didn't take the back too around because I like it to lay flat and stable while I'm working with the frets. I did the fretboard. I got a nice layout. I put a center line and I laid out all my frets on it. And my next step here is I'm going to be gluing that on there before I make the cuts. Before I make these fret cuts, I'm going to glue that on there. Some of the tools that I use to do this is a ruler, and it's a 24 3/4 inch Gibson guitar ruler that I'm using on this instrument that it lays out all the nuts and the frets exactly where they go. So I use this one because for this particular instrument that I use, this is my layout. So you can see how all those are coming right where they're supposed to be. This is another ruler that's very important. It's a centering ruler, and you see it's got a 0 point there, and then a 1 inch, and then a 1 inch on this side. You can find a center of anything. These are like so necessary. I use this all the time. It's one of the important, and it's real flexible so that it can actually, when I do a, when I do a line, I can actually bend that and carry my center line from the fingerboard to the head because you see that's flexible. Really nice instrument. This is very important. It's a little, they say it's for a saddle square, but I use it for doing the frets. Once I mark them with this ruler, I just lay this across and mark the frets. This is like so invaluable, this little square. I've used it hundreds of times, so that's another important tool. Another important tool is a straight edge. So anyway, that's where I'm at right now. I did check this for level. It's a little bit too low up here, so I am going to have to scraper this because I do not want any kind of, I want that real flat. It's not that much. You can kind of see. No, you can't see. Anyway, it's just, you can see the light going in and out of the tip. It's so small, but you know, when it comes to frets, it's so big. So that's where I'm at, and once I do what I say I'm going to do here, I'm going to start on the body, I think, because I don't want to go any further with this until I can start matching it up to the body. Bye-bye.